My name is Daly Black. I'm the managing partner of Daly Black. We started as a firm that did a lot of hurricane-related work in the first-party practice area, and we slowly grew into other practice areas. Now we do a lot of personal injury work, a lot of class action work, and some mass tort work. Our motto at the firm is all in, all the time. It's the idea that when we take something on, we see it to completion, one, and we don't quit. In the Houston office, we have between 50 and 60 folks, and that includes lawyers and support staff and marketing staff. We do a lot of our marketing in-house. When Daly Black started, we were really good at conserving our own capital and holding a cash reserve to pay for our expenses. And as the firm grew, we realized that amount A isn't enough, but B, we're going to need more capital if we want to grow. So in our previous approach to financing, it was a frustrating approach more than anything because we only had the money that we had to do things with. We really had kind of very little runway to expand with, right? If you're just using your own cash, it's very hard to leverage that into more growth, and we were really limited. It wasn't until our partnership with Esquire about 6 or 7 years ago that we were able to secure kind of the lines of credit, both for operations and also for expenses and things of that nature that allowed us to grow. Case acquisition in our business is the lifeblood. And the reality is that if you don't have capital to do that, you're stuck. You literally have a kind of a glass ceiling that you can't get beyond. So finding a partner that is willing to come in and take a bet on you, right, to look at your docket, to look at your lawyers and your organization and skill sets and say, yeah, we're going to bet on them, which is what Esquire did, allowed us to then really open up a world of opportunities. We were able to go out and deploy cash that we did not have. And the first opportunity to do that for us was Hurricane Harvey, where we really invested a significant amount of money that we didn't have in the bank. Esquire really opened up a complete new set of avenues for us to expand and get into other areas and market in a way we'd not done before. We now have a very robust line of credit for just case expenses, which is really nice. We can carry a lot of case expenses at any given moment and pay only the interest and pass that along to the client. We also have a really large line of credit now to do what I'd call strategic growth. That's marketing, special projects, whatever it is that we've decided we want to grow into, that's a line for that. Before we had Esquire, we didn't have anybody. We were self-capitalized. But the reality is that Esquire has been an incredible partner to us. They understand our business. They are an organization that has plaintiffs' trial lawyers involved. They know how to risk dockets. They know how to ask the right questions. And as a result, they know how to lend to organizations, to law firms like ours. And a lot of banks don't. And so when I'm asked frequently by others whether I consider doing something different or talking to a different lending group, it's really easy. No, because Esquire does it really well.